It's a roller again. Shocks and weight enforce, sway bar, mounting kit and end links, just little stuff, bump steps. I get going on the 71 Cutlass Supreme convertible, 350 Olds Rocket, just a 2-barrel. It's all stock, but guy wanted headers and I talked him out of it and got him new Thorton reproduction exhaust manifolds. It's going to be dual exhaust instead of a white pipe setup, and got him Borla ProXS mufflers. 2.5s in, 2.5 out. Same mufflers I got on the 454 pickup. It'll sound good. We're waiting on the X pipe yet too.